Crack Sparrow always wins. I like that. I like the sound of that.
Crack Sparrow.
They came like dogs, banging for staying in the boat now. It's so pathetic. After all they did, all the shit they talked, now they what? Oh, sorry, it can even work. So these guys are pathetic. And then they say, oh, you want to hang it out with us. That's why you're doing this. Bitch, we want to hang it out with Elon Musk, not you guys losers.
We'll let you come and stream with us. This? Oh my god, Ice Poseidon said I could stream with them.
Yeah, they're just
You're gonna roast in Portuguese, right? I'll let you stream with me. You can come out with us. Oh my god, thank you.
É o povo mais inútil que eu já vi na minha vida, cara. Eles são tão burros, cara. A única coisa que eles podem fazer na vida deles é andar com uma câmera por aí sendo live streamers, entendeu? Aí a gente
Where's the kick deal at? He offered me a kick deal. He said I'll give you a kick deal.
These guys here, they're serious?
It's funny.
It's funny. They came like, oh, I'm so sorry.
Okay, baby. Then, obviously I agree with you. You're right. I'm gonna go outside and try to relax and have a cigarette.
The guy say this is all done?
Yeah, they didn't have to replace the...
What you buy there?
I rent it.
There is the reasonable conspiracy.
Conspiracy?
Conspiracy.
Yeah.
Maybe Craig Sparrow and Sam is the one team.
Say it again?
Craig Sparrow and Sam are one team.
Oh, you think?
Yeah.
Sam, are you scripting all this behind the scenes?
Behind the scene, yeah. That's what I mean.
Oh, that's actually possible.
Ice can streaming now. So Sam has viewers, ISIS viewers. Sam plan to stalk Ice in this island.
Maybe, yeah.
You from IP2, right?
You wipe me out, Joel.
Elena puertorriqueño. Nathaniel.
Yo.
Have you given birth yet?
No.
Not yet.
Chad, look, just for the transparency.
Oh, we don't have anything.
All my returns are coming.
No, all the returns are going to happen.
They will.
Yeah, we could easily do a price match there.